Let's discuss the importance of overlapping of protection zones. In electrical power system, different type of protective schemes are employed or used to protect different type of components of power system. Either it may be generator, transformer, transmission line, bus bar, feeders, etc. So for the zones of protection or to decide the scheme, we need to decide first the zone of protection. We need to decide the area which will be covered by that protection zone, and it is decided on the basis of location of current transformer. Okay, so depending upon the location of current transformer, or you can say current transformer decides the zone of protection, and that zone includes each and every fault inside the cities where measurement of currents is carried out. It means with the help of cities current measurement is taking place, and depending upon the level of fault current, it will give it will be sensed by relay, and it will give trip command to circuit breaker, and in this way we are providing protection to power system. So in a power system, that segments are decided by location of city. Just try to understand it by one simple example. Now here I am considering generator, one generator, transformer, bus bar, transmission line, and bus bar 2. Now if I want to provide protection to this transmission line, then I need to locate two cities. This is my city 1 and this is my city 2. I am going to connect one relay across it, which is going to sense the fault. If any fault occurs within the zone defined by CT1 and CT2, then and then only fault will get sensed by this relay. So if any fault occurs across this line, then it will be sensed by relay and it will operate or it will trip the system. Now if I want to give another protection zone, I want to define protection zone for bus 1. So I need to locate my city, if I am considering one city here and other city on this side. So this is my protection zone for bus 1. This is my city 3 and city 4. So here I am having 4 cities and 2 different zones. One protection zone is for transmission line and other zone is for bus bar, bus 1. Now if any fault occurs in between these 2 points, in between city 1 and city 4, now if any fault occurs here in between this region, then that fault will not get sensed either by city 1 or by city 4. It means this is a blind spot or the region which will not be protected by zone 1 and zone 2. This area will remain unprotected. So to avoid this, my second choice is I need to locate this city 4 at another location or some another place, so that this particular part will also get covered, and for that I need to have another arrangement. So instead of my zone of protection for transmission line will remain as it is. This is my first zone of protection. I am having one relay here. This is my zone of protection for transmission line. And now for this bus 1, my city 3 is here, but the location of city 4 should be overlapped on city 1. So now no part of this particular area will remain unprotected. CT3 and CT4 will cover the fault which will occurring in between this region, whereas CT1 and CT2 will sense the fault which is occurring on transmission line. So zone of protection provided to transmission line is this. This is my zone of protection, first zone of protection. This is zone of protection 1 and other is here. For bus, this is my protection zone. So zone of bus bar protection is overlapping on zone of transmission line protection. It means it covers each and every region, each and every part of the power system, right from bus to bus 1 to bus 2, and your system will get protected.